Preston historically has been a market town for a long time. These canopies outside were the first attempt, if you like, to provide undercover market facilities. The larger canopy was built in 1875. It obviously has been up there a long time now and needed some restoration works.
We've now been tasked with taking it back to its original bare metal, all the cast work, all the roof work, and bringing it back up to a contemporary look for the future.
The structures themselves were looking very tired. You know, for anyone who'd seen them a few months ago, they were looking over 100 years old, if not more. They weren't in good condition.
With it being in Preston, just down the road from where I live, it was a natural love to just get something done in the local area and get it ready for the future of people that will be coming seeing and walking around Preston in time to come.
It's great, with being a Prestonian myself, to be able to regenerate what is the heart of the town centre, which we are a city, but these markets were here many years before it was a city.
A lot of these people have perhaps been working as market traders on there for 10, 20, 30, perhaps sometimes all their working lives, and they're used to doing things in a particular way. And it has been difficult. But we've tried to accommodate them by trying to keep a market running throughout the works. FP have been more than helpful in that. The traders now, I think, are on board.
We have to use various processes of steam blasting, remaking the cast structure in effect, repainting. We looked at the project, got a good group of subcontractors in with us and have took it forward, and from what you can see, we've brought it up to a nice contemporary look for the future now for Preston.
I think people are starting now to believe that there is a future, for markets.
So I think, all in all, as the years gone by, they've built up some trust in us now that we are actually putting our money where our mouth is and, walking the walk as well as talking it through various consultation events we've gone through. The proof is in the pudding. You look outside the window now, we've got this fantastic restored 1875 grade 2 Ulysses structure, which is one of a kind. That Preston should be proud of that. There's not another one of these types of markets in the country or even in the world at the size and design that it is.